A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Shockwell, and welcome to Bulls Amphitheater for High Flyers. Now, up there is one of the show's High Flyers. Once it's ready, it's gonna make a turn, flying very low above your heads before landing on my hand. Oh, he's coming closer to you guys right here. Brace yourself. Here he comes. And a perfect touchdown. Thank you, Baba. Well, this morning we're going to take you on a flight and journey through this colorful and wonderful world of birds. And we hope that you will be amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends from across the world. Right now, we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws in the wild. In the wild, the macaws will congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. Over here, we have replicas of palm leaves where some birds are going to be landing on it. So everyone, let's welcome the birds. Look up there, and here comes Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. One more friend, Gaia, coming right up there. Here comes Lambo, our scarlet macaw. Hello, Lambo. Now, these beautiful birds can be found in the jungles of South America. In the wild, after feeding, they often go to rocky surfaces just like this to lick up clay or chalk. Well, this helps them in the digestion of unripe fruits or palm nuts that they have eaten. Looks like the macaws are very happy having their little snacks up there, but not to worry because this will be the next stop. Now, birds gather food for their young during nesting season, and we're going to show just that with a little competition. My friends need your support, okay? So, people on this side, you will support Zonda, our blue and gold macaw. Can we all clap our hands and shout, Zonda, Zonda, Zonda? Okay, stop. You guys are awesome. Okay, people on this side, we will support Barry, our green macaw. Try to go louder, okay? Clap your hands and go, Barry, Barry, Barry. Okay, that was fantastic. All right, now back to the table. Ladies and gentlemen, what I have here is a hollow tree trunk. What these two birds have to do is to gather 4 fruits each. Now, we will count to 3. Everybody starts cheering, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Tell me who's the winner! That was really close. What happened? She said it was just a warm up. Okay. What do you want now? One more? What do you guys think? Shall we have one more game? Yes! Okay, a lot of people said yes. We're gonna have one more game, okay? Now, we will give Barry another chance. Barry supporters, Azona supporters, this time, let's try cheering louder. Sometimes the louder you cheer, the faster these birds are going to run. Okay, we're gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go! We have a draw, right? Everyone's happy. Let's give it up for a fruit gathering macaws. Well done. Now we give our birds here fun activities. I can hear them already, and out they go. Ladies and gentlemen, these 4 birds are the sun conures. Now, sun conures belong to the same family as parrots. Just like the macaws you saw on those palm leaves. And just like humans, they love living in groups. So can you imagine them in a large flock? How colorful and beautiful these birds must be. Oh, here in Jurong Bird Park, not only are we active in conservation, we also get school children involved as well. Well, the nest box for the Sun Planet Flew Art Farm was constructed by the students of Green Ridge Primary School in Singapore in conjunction with Earth Day. Let's put our hands together for the beautiful Sun Planets. Now, every morning, the male and female toucans would leave its nest to find food to feed its young. That's exactly what we're going to show you. We're going to have a beautiful couple out here flying very low above your heads. Now the thing is, we will have 2 standing volunteers, and I need everyone to remain in your seats, okay? Because if a lot of people are standing, these birds might land on your head. Right, when they land on your head, they might drop something else here. Okay, looks like our first volunteer is ready. Everyone, would you please take a look right over there at the hut. And here comes the Toko Toucans. Come on, wherever you are. There they are. Oh, it's a lovely pair of husband and wife, mind you. Now, Toko toucans are the largest in the toucan family, but they're easily recognizable by their bright and orange beak. You can spot them from far. In a very short while, they fly over your heads to this side here, and off they go. But despite having a large beak, toucans remains agile and maneuverable in flight. In fact, they have been seen catching insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Alright, so what's going to happen right now is that my friend Rashid, he will be tossing a piece of fruit up in the air for the toucans to catch. 1 fruit each. 1, 2, 3, up it goes! Mr. Horn! Oh, we've got one more toss for Mrs. Horn. Check this out, get your cameras ready. Ready, 1, 2, 3, up. Well, it's really nice to see these birds flying very close to us here. But ladies and gentlemen, the population of toucans are rapidly decreasing due to poaching and deforestation. So please, do support your local conservation programs. And by the way, where is the other toucan? Can you spot him for me? That happens to be the wife. He's not supposed to be there, huh? Hello, Mrs. Horn, what are you doing? Okay, I will try to get Mrs. Horn here on my hand. Yoo-hoo! Right here. There she comes. And did I tell you that toucans are very loyal to each other? Alright, so that's why the wife of Mrs. Horn is coming to her husband here. Now, I'm going to go closer to Mrs. Horn and see whether she wants to let my hand, okay? Alright, now working with animals, there's always challenges because these animals have a mind of their own. Alright, trainers will have to always be patient with them. Good. Now, they are loyal to one another, like I mentioned.